Siamese Carve Kit was designed with busy modern homemakers in mind. Here's an image of the prototype packaging. All the techniques presented are easy to acquire and use the simple tools demonstrated in the video that follows. They're all included in the kit. Also included will be a demonstration DVD, similar to this one. Welcome to our demonstration of the items included with our Siamese Carve Kit. Let's start with our multi-purpose tool. On one end, we have a pivoting scraper. See how the blade swivels to follow the contours of this carrot? It's much easier to use than the traditional style scraper with its stationary blade. Once the carrot is flat, we can use our swiveling blade to peel off some nice uniformly thin sheets. When they curl up, they add a colorful touch to a salad or a plate of raw veggies. The swiveling blade makes all the difference in how easy these are to create. This blade is also great for making coleslaw or shredded lettuce. See how easy it is to make uniformly thin strips? Now at the other end of this tool we have an undulating blade designed to create ridges in the surfaces of not just carrots, but other firm-fleshed fruits and vegetables like this turnip, which we already peeled using the scraper. You may find it easier to give the blade a 1/4 turn and use it like this. See these nice uniform ridges we're creating? You'll see in just a minute or two the stunning effect these have when we slice the vegetable. If you'd like to make narrower ridges, no problem. There's a smaller blade and it's tucked right into the handle. Simply pop out the large one and replace it with the smaller one. They're both stainless steel, of course, as are all the tools in this kit. Now with our blade holder still at 90 degrees to the handle, let's look at the tool we use to create some really fast and easy carvings using carrots, cucumber, potatoes, or any firm-fleshed vegetable or fruit. See how fast and easy this is? And wait until you see the result. How about that? Won't they look nice when they're sliced up? Now this part of the tool is used for peeling citrus fruits. See this little sharp bit here? No need to gauge the depth needed to make the uniform cuts you need for a pleasing effect. Doesn't this look easy? That's because it is. Now if we open the knife that's incorporated into this tool, we can see that it's serrated and very sharp. Here's our turnip again, and watch how using this nice sharp blade, we cut uniformly thin strips from it. Aren't they beautiful? Wait until we arrange these decoratively on a plate. Now if all this carving is making you thirsty, you can also use the blade to open a cold bottle of whatever it is that wets your whistle. So there's lots of things you can do with our multi-purpose tool, but that's not all that comes with the Siamese Carve Kit. You can use this tool with all kinds of vegetables and fruits. We get especially stunning results with long ones like cucumbers, turnips, and carrots. This blade is super sharp and you're about to see why. We first screw this plastic threaded spiral into one end, making sure it's nice and centered, and with a couple of twists, we're off and running. Now we put the end of one finger in the plastic ring and gently rotate the blade, letting it do all the work. It's as easy as it looks. Isn't that stunning? When our spiral screw can't go any further into the carrot, we've gone far enough. We just twist it out, and look what we've got. Now, how are we going to use this for a decorative effect? Well, we have a few choices. Generally, we want our guests to be able to eat our carvings after they've admired them. It is food, after all, so let's open our knife again. and use it to make a single cut all the way down through the slices, allowing them to separate. Now our guests can continue to admire our handiwork and eat it too. Our next tool provides an equally easy method to create even more stunning carvings. Now we've scraped this potato into an elongated shape and made ridges in it. Using this tool, we slice along one edge, then give the potato a 1/4 turn and slice again thinly. And just look at that. Ever wish you could cut potatoes decoratively like this for the French fry lovers you cook for? You can with this tool and easily. Or maybe you prefer your potatoes in slices, what some call home style, about adding a touch of elegance to them. In Thailand, we like nothing better than a plate of refreshing fruit for dessert. Presentation is very important in the culture of our cuisine. Look how easy and beautiful this technique is. Now we'll use the same tool and a similar method to make a stunning carving that your friends will think took hours, but in fact takes about 3 minutes. We start by cutting about 5 V-shaped wedges all the same size. Now we're going to use the blade from our multi-purpose tool to separate each decorative leaf into layers like this. We place our carving in a bowl of cold water, and when we remove it in about 5 minutes, our chilled leaves will maintain their position. We didn't discard our wedges. They make great plate decorations. All we have to do is cut away the flesh using our blade. Now, like the wedge we used earlier, this next tool is spear-shaped on one end. So if your helper is busy using the multi-purpose tool, you can use this one. We'll just have another quick look at how that's done. And this tool has another function. In Thai cooking, we sometimes stuff cucumbers and long gourds. You might stuff your hollowed out cucumbers with tuna salad or some yummy dip. If you've ever made a fruit salad and didn't have a tool similar to this one, you'll be glad we included it in our kit. There's nothing easier and more elegant than making melon balls. It's as simple as this. One more notable feature of the Siamese Carve Kit will be the inclusion in the demonstration DVD of plate decoration ideas for creating some fast and easy complete presentations. These will follow the step-by-step instruction on how to use the tools.